Hello, this is Denton Yoder, instructor for BSE-2304, the Biological Systems Engineering CAD class. This is an update for 2023 version of AutoCAD, Civil 3D. A problem with the newest version is that it no longer has the red and blue icons for starting AutoCAD with plain vanilla AutoCAD and Civil 3D, so we're going to have to do a change up. This is an addendum or an addition to the very first video. Okay, so if you start Civil 3D and it now has a pink icon, you get everything. And the easiest way that I have found to select between them is to do the menu command. So I'm going to type the command menu, and I actually have to type the whole command, menu, and it says, what menu do you want? And there's an acad CUIX file. If I select that, the entire system is going to switch to the default AutoCAD menu. Now, all the information in that first video will work. You can go in to the drafting and make your own settings. You can menu load and get the menus you want. You can dock toolbars. Everything works. To revert back to Civil 3D, the menu command, and I can go to the C3D CUIX, and it'll switch to the Civil 3D set of menus. Now back to menu 1 or video 1, everything will now work. You can set up your own AutoCAD Civil 3D menu. You can get your pull down menus with the menu bar command, and you can dock your toolbars. Everything works like normal. So instead of having an icon to switch between the two, you now have the menu command to switch between C3D and acad. Thank you very much.